Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your chronotype on the Sleep as Android app. To see your chronotype, tap right here in the top left corner, then tap right here. As you see this 2 icon, or it's going to be maybe your different number, and it's going to show you your chronotype. In my case it's the morning lark 2, which just basically it depends on what time you are usually asleep at. It depends on the hour at which the middle point of your sleep falls. So that's it about it. You can change the period across which it's comparing your middle points to maybe check if it's the same across different periods of time. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.